In a jungle lush and green, under skies so blue, lived a donkey humble, with a heart so true. He wasn't strong like the tiger, or fast like the deer, yet his braying voice was all you'd hear. The jungle had trouble, a storm had arrived. The animals were scared, none could thrive. The lion roared, "This isn't my fight." The tiger growled and ran out of sight. "What shall we do?" cried the trembling hare. "We need a leader, someone to care." The elephant said, "We need someone wise, who'll guide us through these gloomy skies." The donkey stepped forth, his hooves firm on the ground. "I may not be mighty, but solutions I've found. I'll work with you all, each bird and beast. Together we'll thrive, the storm will cease." He built them shelters from the raging rain, shared his food though he had little grain. He led the weak through the jungle trail, and carried the loads when others would fail. The animals watched, their hearts filled with pride. The donkey had shown what strength lay inside. The parrot announced, "A king we have found, the wisest and kindest all around." With a crown of leaves, he ruled with care. His braying song filled the jungle air. The king of kindness, the animals would sing, for all hail the humble donkey king. So remember this tale, whether big or small, your actions, not looks, define you to all. Be brave, be kind, and you'll surely find a crown of respect in the hearts of mankind.